Sand is not just what you see at the beach. In the US, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's used in construction for concrete and asphalt, in landscaping, in glass manufacturing, and even in high-tech industries like silicon chips. That means there's a constant demand, and where there's demand, there's money to be made. So how can you profit? Construction sand supply. Partner with local builders or landscapers to provide quality sand. Glass manufacturing. Silica sand is essential for making bottles, windows, and solar panels. Recreational sand. Think playgrounds, golf courses, or indoor sports facilities. They all need sand. Crafts and home decor. Colored or specialty sand sells well for art projects, aquariums, and DIY decor. Tech industry. Purified silica sand is used in electronics and solar energy, a growing market in the US. Research local demand in your area. Connect with landscaping companies, construction firms, or craft suppliers. Consider packaging and branding, even selling decorative sand online through platforms like Amazon or Etsy. The key is finding a niche where sand solves a problem or adds value.